Hi everyone, this is Raj. Welcome to Tech Format, and in this video I'm going to talk about loops in Vue.js. So let's get started. This is my Vue instance and I'll create an array. So I'll write add and then we'll use square bracket and we can pass the elements. So here we have elements, this one. So we can print the value of array with the help of p tag, or maybe you can function add, and then we are getting this particular array. But we want the each element for this particular array, so we can use p tag and then we have a logic for the for loop. So you can perform the for loop, you just need to use v4, and then here you need to apply. First thing is in the right hand you have to write the array name, and then in the left hand here will be two things, like first one is the element from this particular array, and then we have an index. And here in the next part here you need to define the key, which will be the unique. So here you can pass the index. So this is the syntax for the loop in Vue.js. So first we need to use in, and in the right hand we need to mention the array. In the left hand here we have two things, like first that will give you the one by one element and its index, and then we can define the key of that particular index. Now we are getting this particular element, so we can print the element, and here we are getting this particular element. Also we can print the index, so it's totally up to you. So I'll write this one symbol, and then we have index. So 0 index, the value is 34, first index value is 23, and the second index the value is 56. Or you can write perform the v4 in the table format. Let's create a table. So I'll create a table, and inside table we have two things, like first we have a tr, and then we have a two column. First one is for the index and the second one is for the element. So I'll write ele, and then here we can create tr for the table body. So here we can apply the loop. So first we need to write in the right hand we have to mention the array, and the left hand we are getting two things, like first one is the element and the second one is for the index. Now we need to perform at the key that will be unique. So here we'll write I index. Okay, so inside this particular row we have a two columns. So I'll write two column. First one is for the index, so I'll write index, and the second column there will be a value. So here we have an element. Or you can provide the border. So here you can write border is equal to 1 when I save, and then we are getting this particular output. This is how you can use v4 in Vue.js. So if you have any questions, you can ask your questions in the comment section, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.